for custom cruisers. Beautiful big kit here. This is a Wiseco piston kit for an Harley Sportster. Comes complete with 2 pistons, 2 sets of rings. Your pistons, very strong forged aluminium pistons, okay, with the rings and the pins. Everything's complete. You get all your different rings, obviously, tells you which ones are which is pretty obvious. And you do have to follow the instructions as to what goes up, okay, when you fit them. When you bore the bike, because obviously if you've got stock boards, it most likely needs a rebore by now anyway. This will actually tell you 3 thou. Now 3 thou is really the minimum. If you're going to thrash it, you want about a 5. Okay, it will burn a bit more oil perhaps, but I mean it will never seize up. So if you're interested, these are 10-to-1s, very high performance pistons, going to give you a hell of a bang for your buck. Okay, always use good oil, and we keep all the gasket kits, all the rebuild stuff. We've got big valves, we've got full gasket kits, motor rebuild kits, clutch packs, pretty well everything for the older bikes. Don't really do so much with the twin cams and the M8, so if you want bits for older bikes, see customcruisers.com. and then go to the Zodiac part. Okay, you'll see Zodiac on the left or on the home page. We'll get it back on there, and then you can basically go straight to all the Harley Davidson stuff. Thank you. Call me 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thanks.